Hey class, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This problem is a computing limit problem. So first thing that I need to be able to do is recognize which method, right? So as soon as I see x squared minus 16 and then 4 minus x, I know there's going to be a common factor somehow because that's a difference of 2 squares. So I just go ahead and like first reaction is to go ahead and factor, right? But before we even do that, we should always plug in the number and see if we can do a direct substitution. So when we do plug in the number, we'll have on the denominator 4 minus 4 is 0. And the numerator 4 squared is 16 minus 16 is 0. So we know that L'Hopital's rule will apply here. Okay, so we could use L'Hopital's rule, or we could go ahead and factor as I have thought originally. So whichever way your brain is directing you, then that's fine. Okay, so here if we were to use L'Hopital's rule, we would have limit as x go to 4. On the numerator, the derivative is 2x. On the denominator, the derivative is negative 1. So when I plug in the 4 now, I would have negative 8. Okay, so that is using the L'Hopital's rule. Now let's go ahead and do it by factoring and see if you can digest that information. Limit as x goes to 4, and the numerator would be x plus 4, x minus 4. And I wanted you to see this method because not always that you are able to apply the L'Hopital's rule, right? But so sometimes you do need to factor and reduce. So this is how that's going to look like. And if the numerator is x minus 4, I wish that the denominator is x minus 4 instead of 4 minus x. So that's one way to rewrite it. Factor out a negative 1. Okay, so when we do that, a factor divided by itself is 1, provided that x is not 4, which is okay in this problem because we're taking the limit as x go to 4, and the definition of limit say that is not necessarily for the function value to be existing at that point. Okay, so now when we plug in 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 divided by negative 1 is going to be negative 8. Same answer, just two different ways.